Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, I am Anthea and my channel is all about simple skincare routines and simple tips on how to do your own makeup. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on notifications by tapping that little bell on the right so you'll be the first to know every time I post new content. And I post a new video every Friday. Today's video is about a simple DIY facial scrub that is going to change your skin game forever. It is very good for dark spots and acne scars. I used to have lots of those, but as you can see, they have really reduced. It's also good for hyperpigmentation and dark circles around the eyes and even skin tone and all those other patches that you may have on your face. Please stay tuned. You will need 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of unrefined coconut oil to make this very effective turmeric and sugar facial scrub. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties which make it a perfect agent for fighting acne, and it is also very effective in reducing the appearance of dark spots, so it is going to reduce your acne scars, hyperpigmentation, and all those other dark patches that you may have on your face. On the other hand, sugar is a very excellent exfoliant and it will get rid of the dead skin cells on your face and reveal the healthy glowing skin underneath. Coconut oil is a perfect moisturizer and it will leave your skin soft and smooth. Also, check out my other videos, one on how to use coconut oil as a hair mask for thick and long hair, and the other one on how to remove makeup without using makeup removers. I am going to put those 2 videos down in the description. In a small bowl, combine all the ingredients and make a paste. Apply the scrub directly onto your skin using your hands, massage to exfoliate and leave the scrub on for 10 more minutes to work some more magic on your skin and then rinse it off with warm water. I usually use this facial scrub in the night because turmeric tints your skin. Your skin will remain a little bit yellowish, so do it in the night so that by morning it is back to normal. And if you have very dry skin and very sensitive skin, do not over exfoliate. Don't scrub your face for more than 2 minutes. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below and share. See you next Friday.